for sure. Come on and sing from A to Z, a whole world of fun, just you and me. Clap your hands, jump and shout, learning the alphabet, that's what it's about. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who loves to play. G is for giraffe with a super long neck. H is for hat that you wear on a trek. I is for ice cream, a yummy treat. J is for jumping on your feet. K is for kite flying up so high. L is for lion with the mighty raw cry. Come on and sing from A to Z, a whole world of fun, just you and me. Spin around, stomp your feet, the alphabet groove just can't be beat. M is for moon that glows at night. N is for nest full of birdies in flight. O is for octopus deep in the sea. P is for penguin dancing with glee. Q is for queen with the shiny crown. R is for robot boogieing down. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for train chugging left and right. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin we love to play. W is for whale with the big, big spout. X marks the treasure, let's find it out. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we've sung our ABCs, let's give a cheer, 1, 2, 3, Nike. Come on and sing from A to Z, a whole world of fun, just you and me. Wave your hands, spin around, the ABC parade is the coolest sound. The ABC parade is the coolest sound.